Our next item is a Sufi Qawwali by the students of Senior Secondary Section and prepared by Mrs. Prabjot Kaur, Mr. Rajkumar, Mr. Rajesh, Mr. Ranjit Singh and Mr. Raman. Let's enjoy. Those who educate children are more to be honored than parents, for these only gave life those the art of living. So now it's time to acknowledge the contributions of the teachers, and to do the honors, may I call on the stage Vice President Sardar Jagjit Singh Ji, Sardar Sukhjinder Singh Ji, Prince Officiating Honorary Secretary, Sardar Ravinder Bir Singh Ji Palla, Sardar Gurpreet Singh Ji Sethi, Dr. Amritpal Singh Ji Chawla, Director Education, Sardar Jaspal Singh Ji Dhillon, Additional Honorary Secretary. I first call upon Mrs. Jatinder Pal Kaur. Mrs. Jatinder Pal Kaur joined this institution on 8 January 2007 as Punjabi teacher. She is MA B.Ed. She has excellent communication and interpersonal skills. She is very passionate about the Punjabi language and she tries her best to infuse this passion in her students as well. She is fluent in speaking, listening, reading and writing and has a solid grasp of grammar, vocabulary and the cultural nuances. She inspires learners and nurtures healthy curiosity in them, thus creating meaningful learning experiences. Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, GT Road, takes pride in honouring her on the occasion of Teachers' Day celebrations. A big round of applause for Mrs. Jatinder Pal Kaur. Now I call upon Mrs. Pradeep Kaur. Mrs. Pradeep Kaur joined this institution on 8 January 2007 as PGT Maths. She has a real passion for numbers and this passion is like a spark that lights up her classroom. Her love for maths is contagious. She just don't teach maths from the textbook but connects it into everyday life. She understands very well that not every student loves maths right away. So she works really hard to help the students see its cool side. Her patience, empathy, adaptability, organizational skills are her few of many qualities that make her favorite not only with her colleagues but students and parents as well. Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, GT Road, takes pride in honouring her on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Now I call upon Mrs. Harmeet Kaur. Mrs. Harmeet Kaur joined this institution on 18 January 2007 as a Punjabi teacher and she teaches Punjabi to classes 2nd to 6th. She is not only a good teacher but a great theatre artist. No cultural program in our school is complete without the pivotal role of Mrs. Harmeet. She has a profound love for drama and performance which inspires and motivates her students. Her understanding and sensitivity to students' emotions and experiences fosters a supportive environment. She has been successfully leading rehearsals, managing classroom dynamics and inspiring confidence in her students. Not only is she a great actress and has been a part of many Punjabi films and stage shows, but she is a proficient writer who drafts script and dialogue for different dramas and acts in the school. She has an artistic aura that is effervescent and fills her students and colleagues with exuberance. She is the recipient of the Best Award from Punjab University 2000, CKD Best Teacher Award 2012, Excellence Award in All India Sikh Conference and many more. Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, GT Road, takes pride in honouring her on the occasion of Teachers' Day. I now call upon Mrs. Sandeep Kaur. Mrs. Sandeep Kaur joined this institution on 18 January 2007 as Punjabi teacher. She is a triple MA, MA in Punjabi, History and Comparative Study of Religion. She has a strong knowledge of Punjabi grammar, vocabulary and sentence structure. She is patient, empathetic, adaptable, persevering and disciplined. All these qualities of head and heart have made her favorite with students, parents and her colleagues alike. Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, GT Road, takes pride in honouring her on the occasion of Teachers' Day celebration. I now call upon Mrs. Gurjeet Kaur. Mrs. Gurjeet Kaur joined this institution on 19th March 2007 as PRT Science. She teaches science to primary classes and engages her students in wondering and figuring out science phenomena around them, and this develops scientific literacy in her classroom.
She leverages technology to make her lessons much more interesting. She is approachable, fair and has a good rapport with her students. Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, GT Road, takes pride in honoring her on the occasion of Teachers' Day celebration. Now I call upon Mrs. Manmeet Kaur. Mrs. Manmeet Kaur joined this institution on 19 March 2007 as TGT Science. She is passionate about her profession and is seriously and sincerely committed to her duties and work. She is clear in her speech and is able to convey her ideas to her pupils with ease and effectiveness. She is creative and innovative who creates an environment where students' work is valued and appreciated. Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, GT Road, takes pride in honoring her on the occasion of Teachers' Day celebration. I now call upon Mr. Sanjay Vij. Mr. Sanjay Vij joined this institution on 13 November 1998 as computer in charge school office. He is a proficient man and performs versatile job duties. His critical thinking skills, attention to detail, flexibility and integrity to promote a positive work environment. His capabilities of swiftly and accurately recording data, troubleshooting enterprise resource planning systems, learning new computer techniques and working cordially with his team with enthusiasm makes him a favorite of one and all. Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, GT Road, takes pride in honoring him on the occasion of Teachers' Day celebration. A big round of applause for all the body teachers and Mr. Sanjay.
Let me सलाई सम्मी ने तो पाया निमा निमा सुरमा निमा 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 सम्मी मजा जड़ पाया सुरमा निमा 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 विच कजले दी तारी सुरमा निमा 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 विच कजले दी तारी सुरमा निमा 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 सम्मिए नी अंबियां ते आ गया पूर मेरी सम्मिए चले मेरी सम्मिए शावा मेरी सम्मिए सम्मिए नी कोठे ते तपदा तंबूर मेरी सम्मिए चले मेरी सम्मिए शावा मेरी सम्मिए होए सम्मिए नी गिण गिण लावा पूर मेरी सम्मिए चले मेरी सम्मिए शावा मेरी सम्मिए होए सम्मिए नी माही खड़ा तेरा दूर मेरी सम्मिए चले मेरी सम्मिए शावा मेरी सम्मिए हो सम्मिए नी आवेगा जरूर मेरी सम्मिए चले मेरी सम्मिए